I represent Eastern Southeast, Eastern Northeast, and I'm from Edo State. Urgent need to impress upon the executive arm of government the importance of obeying court orders. The House notes that Nigeria as a country is built on the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, which provides for the separation of powers between the three arms of government, namely the executive, legislative, and judicial arms. The House also notes that under the principle of separation of powers, no arm of government can usurp the powers of any other arm or take steps to prevent any other arm from carrying out its functions as laid down in the Constitution or undermine it in any way. The House is informed that in the recent times, some security agencies such as the Department of State Services, DSS, have been consistently flouting court orders, especially as it relates to bail and production of accused persons in court.
Point of order. Allow him to move his motion, then you can raise your point of order, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The House further notes that the judiciary is the acclaimed last hope of the common man, and therefore any attempt to denigrate the courts to the point where citizens feel they no longer have any legal recourse to them may lead to anarchy and resort to self-help. Cognizant of the need to impress upon the executive arm of government the need to direct security agencies to obey court orders and operate within legal parameters, citizens will continue to live in palpable fear, and the economy will continue to suffer capital flight, since investors tend to avoid climes where security agencies operate without regard for laws and court orders. Conscious of the need for agencies of government not to act in ways that make citizens live in fear and hurt the economy through capital flights, the House resolves to, 1, urge the executive arm to direct security agencies to obey court orders, especially those relating to bail and production of accused persons in court for trials. And 2, mandate the committees on human rights and justice to investigate cases of detention of accused persons beyond the statutory period in contravention of subsisting court orders, granting them bail. Failure to release or produce accused persons in court for trial and prevail on the offending agencies to ensure their releases and report back to the House within 4 weeks for their legislative action. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I so move.